friends, my name is Catalina and I like to cook for my family. Today I'm gonna show you how I am cooking stuffed peppers. I'm gonna stuff the peppers with a mixture of ground pork and ground beef, and I hope you're gonna like the way I am making it and try it at home. For this recipe I am using peppers. I chose different colors peppers, 6 of them. I prefer them to the green peppers because the green peppers are a little bit bitter to the taste when you cook them. I have here a half cup of rice and I have 2 onions. I have 2 eggs, oil, salt, pepper. I have tomato crushed, and of course the meat, which is probably around 1.5 pounds of both ground beef and pork. You can use water. I decided today to use vegetable broth. So these are all the ingredients, and I'm gonna start by chopping the onion and fry it a little bit in oil. So now that I fried the onion and the rice, I start preparing the peppers for stuffing, and I'm cutting around to make like a lid, and I take the seeds out, but I'm not gonna get rid of this part because it's gonna be stuck in the meat and it's gonna kind of secure the lid on the pepper. I'm cleaning the seeds. So I will do the same with all the peppers. Now it's time for us to prepare the meat. So we have here the ground beef and pork. You can use only ground pork or only ground beef, but in case you use ground beef, you need to add more onion because the beef is too tough when it's cooked, and you want it to be soft. So now I have to add the egg. You can add 1 egg or 2, some pepper, a little bit of salt, and I start mixing. We're adding now the rice and the onion. Add a little bit of water, or in my case vegetable broth, so I'll make sure the rice will cook and the meat won't be too tough inside. I think I mixed enough. I'm gonna start stuffing the peppers. We're pushing the meat down. So we stuff them up to the brim like this, and then we push down the lid like this, and it looks nice. And then so we do with all the peppers. If a pepper is too tall, it's not the case here because they all have almost the same height. But if a pepper is too tall and you cannot find small ones in the store, you cut the same way to create the lid, and then you cut it shorter. And so this part you use it for soup or some other meals. And then you attach the lid, so in case it's too long. So these are our peppers. Next, I am going to take my peppers and fry them in a pan. I have a cast iron pan that is already hot, and I'm gonna roast my peppers in that pan. What's gonna happen is that the peppers are gonna caramelize and they're gonna become sweeter. And only after I'm gonna put them in a pot with the tomato juice, and I'm gonna cook them in the oven. So let's see what I'm doing. Okay. So the pan is almost smoking hot, and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Really? So we let them roast on this side and then you turn them. And then we start rotating it on all sides. Like so. I'm going to put them in this pan here. Almost done with them. Okay, now so our peppers are ready for the oven. I'm gonna add the crushed tomatoes. The vegetable broth. We need to put enough liquid to boil the peppers in. I heat them on the stove a little bit and then I'm gonna put them in the oven. At this moment, because it starts boiling, I'm gonna put it in the oven. So it's cooking at 350 degrees inside the oven for about an hour. I will show you how it looks when it's done. This is my pepper. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you try it at home. And if you try it, come back to this video and make a comment underneath. I'll see you next time. Bye. Make sure you check out my other videos. I've got lots of different recipes, including vegetarian and vegan ones. Please like and subscribe. And if so, click on the bell button for future notifications. Bye!